Hello guys, good evening. So today we'll be studying how to read like the trend of the market, like how to know whether the market is bullish or bearish. Like if I want to know whether the market is going to sell or buy following a trend, if I'm in a bullish and a bearish trend. So let me so let's just assume this is our market and this is our candlesticks. So yeah, this is in a 1 day time frame. So how are we going to know if the daily is bearish or bullish? So start by reading from here. So if you click here and we look at our chart, you will know, let's say this is the higher high here and this is the lower high. Higher high. That takes, let me see, higher high is, I think it's out but up, if you can look. So I'll just see, so this is the higher high up here, that is the higher high, and down here this is our higher low. Let me see, this is our higher low. So this is our higher high, this is our higher low. So what are we going to, let me say this is how our market is like. So I've identified now my higher high, my higher low in the market. So how am I going to know my next step? Like if I want to take a trade there, so how am I going to know I'm in bullish or bearish? So I'm going to approximately sit back and wait for my price either to break down. The only way a trend can change from here is either we break up, we break this higher high to create a new higher high, which then this will become a new lower high, or we break down here to create a new lower high, which this now will become a new to create a new lower high, right? Then that will become a new lower low. So yeah, I probably, as you see in my chart, so broke up here, so break, if you check here, so break it already. So this will become a new higher high up here. This will become a new higher high up here. So this will become a new higher high up here, and this will become a new lower high. Just the same. So this one here does not more count again. So now if we just will break up here like this, we break the previous higher high, then this will become a new higher high, and this will become a new lower high. So now you know that the daily is bullish. So if you are trading, you are going to focus on buys only. The same thing can also go for the weekly. For the weekly, as I was saying, you see, it just worked. No, I didn't even notice. So on the weekly, but also if I look as I'm just looking at the chart, I know that we're in a bullish trend, because if you check here, we also broke the weekly higher high, creating a new higher high and a new lower high, and then broke it again up, the same thing. So now you have two time frames in sync, meaning you'll be focusing more on buys. Any sell opportunity is just going to make you to blow your account or stop out. So now I think after that we got another break of the previous higher high to the upside, and this will be our new higher low, and this is the same thing as you can see. So now some people will come to count this like a higher high, higher low, and then we'll see this one like that the market has this trend structure, or they will draw a trend line and see that now they're in a downtrend already, something like that. Will still work though, because if you can still take your sell from here, you still make your profit. If you can take your sell from here, you still make your profit. So everybody has their own way which they trade. So, but for me, we're still, if you look keenly, we're still in a bullish form. So what are we waiting for? So we cannot count this as let me say something. So if this is our higher high and this is our higher low, the only way we can change trend is when price break either down, that is break our higher low, or break our higher high before we can change the trend. So now this noise inside here, all this noise inside here, it does not change the direction of the market, because we have never broken this higher low down here. So we are still bullish. You can still look at buying setups here. It does not change nothing. So to when we broke it, as you can see, so to when if you can just drag a little bit, you see that finally we had a breakthrough. Now, meaning for this breakthrough, we created our new, for this breakthrough now, this will become a new lower high, and this our new lower low, and this will become a new lower high. Sorry, yes. So now this will become a new lower low. Now our trend has turned from being bearish to bullish because we broke our previous higher low, creating our new lower low, and this will definitely be our new higher low. So now we're on a downtrend, meaning anything we look here is just for sales. So yeah, I've been listening like something I would have traded if it was a trade, like we have broken down in a bearish, so I just wait for reaches and sell and everything. So this is how if we go now to our chart, let me go and explain in our chart. This is our chart. So I already got one of my setups for the week, which I'm going to do a video of that and post to. So now this is my chart. Let me see. So if you can look here, you see that we're trending in an uptrend. I think I will not count that. We're turning an uptrend, and we broke this. I think this was the now. Yeah, just a little bit. So now, if I take it here, let me put an next clone so that it will be more easier. So this was our new higher high, our higher low. Okay, now create a new higher high, new higher low. Create a new higher high, a new higher low. Create a new higher high, a new higher low. So now, if you check, if I can use my snake to draw, and if I come here and I'm able to bend, then I'm going to call it, I'm going to say yes, that is I say the candle can bend the snake, which definitely means it's a lower high, because some candles are too close the way, like I can say for example, like this candle, let me see, like something like for example something like this candle here, like this is even still open, something like this, I cannot really find anyone, cannot really find anything, or something like this. You can see this candle like this, too close, too tight up to be called like that. But although some people will not even take this like this thing like how can I say, like a lower low, because they'll say then this will just be a lower low here. So they'll say to the market break, because if you draw as you have a good turn down here, like a good turn. So now I think if you check, so this is our, let me say, higher high, this will be our higher low for now, because let me use that style, because according to me already change our trend up here, because if this is our new higher high, this will be our new lower high, we should broke and go down it is, then we got a sell to our TP, then our new lower low, and then this was our new lower low here, then this became our new low, our new lower low, our new lower high. We broke up, meaning now we became back bearish in this trend. So this was our new higher high, then this became our new lower high. So if you even see, according to my strategy, once we break a higher high or a lower low, I wait for a retest and I buy. So if I even took a buy here, I took a buy, I would have fitting TP and I would have been out. That's just how easy my strategy is like. So we'll count that in. So now if we check again, we had a new break. This is a new higher high here, and then this becomes a new lower high. Very easy. So now once we broke it down, it became bearish. Now waiting for a retest to sell, which we do not have the retest. So I think we're just creating new lower lows and new lower highs, as you can see, creating. So now we broke this one again, a new lower low, and then it's a new lower high. Now waiting for the retest to sell, as you can see. So yes, and this is like my analysis. If you can understand my video, the same thing, break and then waiting for it to say. So if I come down here, you're going to notice that the 4-hour needs to be bearish. So if I can read it the same way, you will see that this is our new, I think our new lower low, and then we had a retest to say against our new lower low again. So now approximately we came back up here. Now we came back here, that means our 4-hour turn bullish. Now we broke this zone, because normally a snake can turn here, making us back to become bearish with a massive engulfing candle. So all what I'm waiting for here to sell this trade next week is I use my Fibonacci. If only this market is going to turn here, if it's going to turn, then I'm going to sell from there, which means testing this place and everything is good. So I just wanted to show you guys how to read the trend.